Hello, my name is Steve Baker. Today I want to do just a quick video on how to navigate the console while searching for your cameras to eventually obviously getting to either a live view or pulling stored footage. So when you first log in, this is the view that you get. The console has a listing of all your cameras. And it's pretty easy to navigate, but once you start getting into the 100 and 200 listing of cameras, it becomes a chore trying to find that individual camera. And we have some quick shortcuts that you can use to get to that camera and get to that footage as quickly as possible. The first thing, and once again, if you look at the top here, these are all search options that you can use. 99% of the time, you're going to be using the name or the group to get to an individual camera or grouping of cameras to retrieve footage. So let's look at it under the name search box. So if you know the name of a camera or maybe a specific, let's say you have front one, front two, you could actually type in a couple letters, and if the search dialog comes back, it'll finish it for you. Once you have that in there, you can hit enter, and it'll list all those cameras that have that name for it. From that point, obviously, you can go to the live view or click on it to view storage footage. If you don't want to use the name, you can actually come over here to the group, and you can actually look at cameras as well based off the group. And this gives you, once again, this might not have the name of outside in it, and some of them might, but you can actually create those here under your group settings, and you can add those cameras as you would like to have a group for quick searching or quick viewing of cameras. So let's go back to the console, and let's clear out the group, and now the console goes back to its default view of showing all cameras. So that's a quick and easy way to use the what we call the shortcuts in our system to get to an individual camera. Utilizing groups and the name of the individual camera can allow you quick, search to that individual camera, and then once you're in that camera, then you can go through and look at all your footage. So my name is Steve Baker. That's once again just a quick video here to show you how to navigate through the console to get to the camera that you're looking for. Once again, if you have any problems, please feel free to reach out to us. We want to help you and be there for you. Once again, you can always reach us at our website, www.ipcnv.com, or via our telephone number, 833-320-8324. Once again, thank you for watching and have a good day.